Okay, I'm going to videotape the repair and servicing of this Guilford wristwatch. And I have two here. One that has a stainless or plated case, and then this is a gold plated case. The reason why there are two is so that we can look at the so we have spare parts and have a reference for reassembly. This is a 7-jewel movement. Interestingly enough, the jewels are actually in the gear train. It is using a pin and lever escapement shown here. Now this one's starting to run. Yeah. So yeah, living in this town of Guilford, where I'd love to see if I can make these old watches work, and I'll document it because these are so unusual. They also are very inexpensive on eBay. They go for $10 a piece or thereabouts. So it'll be fun to make a piece of history run again. Okay, here is the watch with the face, the dial removed. Okay, here are all the parts after cleaning, and I left the screws alone. And next I will attempt reassembly. Okay, I've got the plates mounted on here again. That's pretty easy to do actually. Everything fell into place just right. Oftentimes these lower end watches are pretty tough to reassemble, but that went quite well. Next we'll move on to the spring barrel assembly. Okay, spring barrel assembly is back together, and it's placed inside the watch. There is no cap on this one, it's just open like that. So now I'll put the plate down that goes over this. Okay, now I've got the main spring barrel fully installed. I've also lubricated the gear train on this side. So we'll move on to placing the parts on the front before I install the balance wheel. Okay, I reinstalled the balance, and I've got this thing running perfectly. That's really tough to install the balance on this. There's a pin holding the hairspring in place, so that's a little tricky to get everything level and whatnot, but looks like it's running quite strongly right now for a pin and lever movement. So I think what we'll do next is we'll take a look on the timing machine, see how we're doing.